Attention, attention. We're about to begin a multi-fire alarm test. Please disregard all sounds and signals for this only part of the test. Elevators are available during the test. In an event of a real emergency, you will be notified. Alright, you want?
Okay.
Like a normal.
Ready? Yep.
Wait, it's okay.
Oh, no, we're okay.
Okay. And then put it up. I have to record this. It's loose. Thank you for finding that for me. Let's go. This is only a test. This is only a test. Twice. Call. Press the all call. Yeah.
Do it.
Okay. Press and hold. You have to wait. You have to press and hold.
Wait, did it?
Yeah, it will page in here, so we have to wait. We will say enable page. Just keep going. You have. Why is it not doing it? You have to press signal silence in this time. Yeah, yeah.
Attention, attention, this is only a test. Attention, attention, this is only a test.
Very good. We have to reset.
That's a lot of servers.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, wow. Oh, this is, wow. This is,
Huge.
yeah.
All right, so all right, so we do not only test this, we make sure that the pressures are in good conditions. As we go, we sign, right? So come over here, you can test this, open it. Just keep turning, turning. So that would send a signal into the fire panel room for SV. Remember the number that you are testing, SV15? Go, keep going. All right, put it back. You always have to put it back because you won't be able to reset it. Right, so make sure that make sure that, okay, they're tight. And then, yeah, you do the same thing to here. We test 2 in every month. Yeah, keep going until the plots you see right here. So it's, lined up, making sure that there you go. And then put it back. Yeah. Yes. Bravo. So that feeds air into your lines, right? So we make sure that the not last because sometimes they're gonna. There you go. That was about the test them. So when you arm system, what else do you want to know?
No.
Right? Because I've seen it in the past where I asked the guy to go test it for me. Go.
Attention, attention, we have now completed the monthly fire alarm testing. I repeat, we have now completed the monthly fire alarm testing. Thank you.
Very good, buddy. See now, you see a big floor. Boom. Alright. Okay. Alright, that would reset everything.
Fredman hopes you enjoyed this video on Fix It Fax It. Thank you to the technician for doing this with me, and well, mostly for inviting me. I did have to cut out a lot of clips because of security issues and stuff. I worked very hard on this video, so Fredman misses me because I've been gone for a ton of nights. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video on Fix It Fax It, and enjoy!